Hey everybody, Mulkey Films here. Today we're doing a quick video review on, well actually to show you a hidden feature on the LG V35 smartphone. So this video is going to show you how to access the slow-mo mode for taking video. Really cool feature that LG has included in this version of Android. So I've got it recording through my lapel mic right now. So what I'm going to go do is first of all click into the camera app. See, there I am. And then what you want to do is click on the mode button, which will be up at the top. So I'm going to click on mode, and you can see I've already got it selected. So it's sorry if it's blurry. It'll say slow-mo, and that's where your slow motion video setting is. So go ahead and select it, and let's check it out. Let's go ahead and try it out. Alright everybody, this has been Mulkey Films. Thanks for watching. This is how to activate your slow-mo feature on an LG V35 smartphone. If you like what you see, click subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, or if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to send us a note in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe.